M301, S10 normal à l'ouest, Courchesne.
It's November 13th, 2025, and about 25 minutes ago, the light at the east end of the former CN Courchesne siding turned clear. The meet between 121 and the CN M306 at Tart, about 14 miles west, is complete, and 306 would have been now able to pull out of the siding and head for Edmundston. And that was our friendly crew just calling the clear signal at Courchesne. The kids' railfanning crew is just at the crossing at mile 28.2, Pelletier Sub, and if you look in the distance, one will see empty centerbeam bulkheads that are stored in what is left of the old siding. A pair of ET44AC units, CN 3081 and 3211, are running elephant style on the head end. Further back in the train is a shiny new SD75IACC unit, 8337. 8337 has only been out on the road earning its keep for about the last month or so. Not a big train today with 103 cars. Upon arrival in Edmundston, the crew will pull into the yard and set off 18 cars that were just 2 cars back from the head end. Included in this set-off is a group of 10 covered hoppers in a few different Moncton Northern Santa Fe paint schemes. Not 100% sure, but typically these BNSF cars will be delivered to Grand Falls Agromart in Grand Falls. Our distant rumble is getting louder, so let's enjoy seeing M306 and a shiny new DPU.
M306, monté Pelletier, Pelletier.
M306, à vous.
Oui, tu sembles à bout du côté nord, Courchesne.
Mon inspection côté nord à Courchesne, pour le 306. Merci Martin, bonne journée.
Merci, bonne journée à vous autres.
That was the signal maintainer down by the signal doing their weekly checks, giving 306 a clear inspection from the north side. Also, the outbound crew in Edmundston for 306 will take over once the set-offs are done, and they won't be long getting out of Dodge, or Edmundston in this case. We hope you enjoyed seeing M306 and a shiny new DPU. Please subscribe, comment, and hit that like button and help the little channel grow. Also, check out the post section of this channel for regular updates and for photos of this train and other items. Thank you for watching. This is video 1 in a group of 4 videos that we will shoot of this 306, so until we meet for our next one in Segas, Railfan hopes that everyone is safe and having a wonderful time. Cheers!